Ever wondered what goes into your car's tank? Understanding fuel types is crucial for performance and longevity. From regular to premium and diesel, each fuel has unique characteristics. Let's explore them in detail. First, regular unleaded fuel. This is the most common type, suitable for the majority of vehicles on the road today. It typically has an octane rating of 87. Octane measures a fuel's resistance to knocking or a common MDS higher octane always means better performance. Not true for cars designed for regular fuel. Using premium in a regular fuel car offers no benefit and is just a waste of money. Stick to manufacturer recommendations. Next, premium unleaded fuel. This fuel boasts a higher octane rating, usually 91 or 93. It's designed for high performance or luxury vehicles with high compression engines that specifically require it. The higher octane prevents engine knocking, which can damage these sophisticated engines under stress. Think of it as specialized nutrition for specialized machines, essential for optimal function and longevity. Now, let's shift gears to diesel fuel. It's fundamentally different from gasoline, both in composition and how it burns. Diesel is a heavier, oilier fuel. It ignites through compression, not a spark plug, in a diesel engine. You'll find diesel engines in trucks, buses, some cars, and heavy machinery, known for their torque and durability. Benefits include excellent fuel efficiency and impressive pulling power, making it ideal for heavy loads. However, diesel engines can have higher emissions of certain pollutants, though modern tech is improving this. So, what are the key differences? Octane rating, engine compatibility, and cost are the main factors. Regular is for most cars, premium for high performance, and diesel for heavy-duty vehicles. Always check your vehicle's owner's manual. It specifies the correct fuel type for optimal performance. Using the right fuel ensures your engine runs efficiently, reduces wear, and extends its lifespan. Making an informed choice about fuel is a simple yet powerful way to care for your vehicle.